Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to acquire unknown cash, or UCK, for your favorite games using Binance. First, you'll need a fully verified Binance account, which ensures secure transactions and higher limits. Make sure your preferred payment method, like a debit card or bank transfer, is linked. Remember, Binance helps you get crypto, which you then use on other platforms to buy UC. Once your Binance account is ready, the next step is to buy cryptocurrency. Log in and find the Buy Crypto option. We recommend purchasing a stablecoin like USDT, Tether, as it's widely accepted. Enter the amount you wish to spend, select your payment method, and confirm the purchase. Your crypto will appear in your Binance Spot wallet within moments. With your cryptocurrency in hand, you'll need to transfer it to a platform that sells UC. Research and choose a trusted third-party vendor. On Binance, go to your wallet, select Withdraw, choose your crypto, and paste the recipient platform's wallet address. Always double-check the network and address. Once transferred, use your crypto on that platform to purchase UC, often receiving a redemption code. After purchasing, you'll typically receive a redemption code. Visit the game's official redemption website, like Midaspy, enter your player ID, and then input your code. Your UC should appear in your game account shortly. Always confirm the website's authenticity and your player ID to prevent errors. Remember to account for small transaction fees and potential network processing times.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.